Hi, so a month ago I made a video about how to shop from UK, US, India and South Africa and ship to Zambia within 2 to 3 weeks. So a lot of you guys commented that I should make a full tutorial on how to create an account, how to get the shipping address and how to do everything. So in today's video I'm going to show you everything step by step. So we're going to start with creating an account on Tigmo. So we're going to be using Tigmo to shop or to ship to Zambia. So according to my experience of which I showed you in this video, okay, it took about 2 to 3 weeks just to get my parcel from USA. Then from South Africa it just took a week. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you step by step. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to need to do now is to first of all, okay, so the first thing you need to do is to know what you want to buy. So if you want a phone, you want a laptop, you have to know what you're trying to buy. So the second thing you're going to need is to know where to buy it. Okay, so according to Tigmo, when you go to Tigmo shop and ship, which is somewhere here, and when you go to the home button, so when you click on the home button you'll be able to check how much it costs from, let's say, USA to maybe Lusaka also. Okay, so if you're shipping something from USA to Zambia it's going to cost more, but if you're shipping something from South Africa to Zambia it's going to cost less. So you need to know where to ship from. So if you'd like to buy something online, I advise you to first start from Takealot. So Takealot is a big e-commerce website, more like eBay, but it's from South Africa. And when you're shipping from South Africa it only takes a week and it's also cheap. So if you need anything else like a camera, let's say I want a Canon 1200D, okay, so let's say I want a camera, I can just search for it here and I can buy it. Okay, so the prices on Takealot, they are favorable, they are not that expensive as compared to Amazon. Okay, so now that you found what you're trying to buy, you can simply click on add to cart and buy. Okay, if it's eBay you can search for something you want and search for it and buy, or Amazon you can as well do the same. So the first thing you have to do now is to create an account with Tigmo. So when you buy something online you're going to ship it to one of Tigmo's addresses and Tigmo is going to ship your parcel to your doorstep in Zambia. So the first thing you need to do is creating an account on Tigmo. So to do that, as for me, I already have an account with Tigmo Shop and Ship. So I'm going to create a fake account like for testing purposes. So for this purpose I'm going to use a temporal mail. So I'm just going to copy this email. So you have to use your own real Gmail. So the first thing you need to do is enter your name, your email, enter your preferred password. Then address, here you have to enter your address where you stay, like Lusaka or Chingola. Country, select Zambia. City, write Lusaka if you're from Lusaka. Then remember to tick these boxes. State, you can choose Lusaka. Delivery type, choose how you'd like to be delivered. Okay, so when it comes to Tigmo Shop and Ship, they can either deliver your parcel to your home or you can collect it at a collection center. Okay, address too, okay, you can just write the same thing like house number and so on. It's up to you. Your phone number, you have to enter your phone number of course, and you have to confirm the password and you have to write your last name. So once you do all these things you're going to receive an email. So let me just fill this form and we'll get back to you. Okay, so I've entered all my details, so I'm going to choose deliver to doorstep. So I would like my parcel to be delivered at my place. So deliver to doorstep. So I've entered all my details, okay, and I've entered my parcel and my name. So now I'm going to click on register. I forgot one thing, to write the address too, so let me just do that. Okay, so I am now going to click on register. Okay, so I've created an account, so let me just check my email if there's any other email which has come. Okay, so here is the email, so let me just click on it to see what they're telling us. So it's saying, hi Keith, It's been a pleasure serving you at Mercury Shopping. We introduce you to a new tracking system, Tigumo Shop and Ship. We are one solution for all your shipping needs. Okay. Yeah. So I've been given my email, my customer ID, and my password. So these are the details I'm supposed to be using when trying to log in to my account. Okay. Okay, so now let's log in. So I'm already logged in into my account. So now the first thing we need to do is click on virtual address. Okay, so these are our virtual addresses. Okay, so if you are buying something from South Africa, for example from Take a Road, you can use this South African address. If you're buying something from USA, you can use this one. If you're buying something from UK, you can use this one, or India, you can use this one. So your customer ID, it's this username. So this one is your customer ID. Okay, it's the one you enter after your name. So let me just show you how you do this. Okay, so let's say I want to buy this camera over here. So I'll click on add to cart. Then I will click on the checkout here. Okay, so here I'll be asked to log in into my Take a Lot account. So as for me, I already have a Take a Lot account, so I will not create another one. It is easy to create an account. Just have to have your email address, password, number, and so on. So I'll click on login. Okay, so there are two ways here. There's delivery and collecting. So for us, we're going to choose deliver my order. Okay, so as for me, I already added my Tigumo address, my Tigumo Shop and Ship address. So all you're going to do, as for you, you simply click on add address and you're going to choose residential. So you're going to go to your Take a Lot page. So the first thing you have to enter is your name and customer ID. So let me just copy my customer ID, which is this one. Okay, I've copied it. So I'm going to write my name here and the customer ID there. Then just have to enter your name. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to copy is this address over here. Okay, so we're told that in South Africa you have to use your own real number. So I'm going to add my real number here, so which is plus, remember to add your country code. Okay, then the street address, I'm going to copy this one over here. Okay, so copy all your details which are here and add them to your address. So the city is Kempton Park, as it's seen here. It's Kempton Park, it's a city. Okay, then the province, Kempton Park is found in Gauteng province. Okay, then the postal code is this one over here, 1619. Okay. Yeah, so the only thing you have to change is your number and your name and your user ID, and simply click on save address. When you see your address, click on continue, then you'll be required to pay. You can pay using your Visa card. So this is how you buy something on Take a Lot. So now let's try Amazon or eBay. So we are done on Take a Lot. Let's try the other one. Okay, so this is eBay. Okay, just go to Amazon. So let's say I want to buy let's say I want to buy a PS4. Let's see how much it is. Okay, Okay, so let's say I want to buy this PS4, which is over here. So the only thing I have to do now is click on buy now. Then I'll be required to log in. So as for me, I already have an Amazon account. So creating an account on Amazon is very simple. So I am not going to start again creating an account on Amazon. Yeah, if you're having any problems with creating an account on Amazon, simply watch a video on YouTube on how to create an account. Yeah, so I'm just enter my password and continue. So as for me, I already added my shipping address. So as for you, when you create your Amazon account, there will be no address. So what you're going to do is you'll be asked to enter your shipping address immediately after before pressing an order. Okay, so as for me, this is my address so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add a new shipping address. Okay, so the first thing, before adding your shipping address, you have to know where the thing you're buying is coming from, where it's being shipped from. If what you're trying to buy is being shipped from USA, put USA address. If it's being shipped from UK, put a UK address so that it can reach you faster and so that you don't encounter a lot of fees. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is choose a country, which is United States. Okay, then you're going to write your name, and I'm going to get my user ID. So the user ID is in this email over here, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, phone number, we're going to get the phone number from here, which is this one. Okay, street address, we're going to choose the street address, which is this one over here, 12.2.circle, and we're going to add it there. Okay, so it's this one over here. The good part that is kind of telling us the exact location. So it's in Florida. Our zip code is 33626. So just confirm if it's the one. Yeah, it's the one, 33626, Tampa, Florida. Okay, Tampa, Florida. Then just simply click on this address saying use this address. So when I save this address, the next thing you're going to do is, of course, paying. After paying, your products you've bought is going to be shipped to Tigmo's address. Then Tigmo is going to ship your parcel to Zambia. From there, Tigmo is going to notify you. In fact, Tigmo will be notifying you at every step where your parcel is, where it has reached, until it reaches you, and they will call you. So this is how you buy and ship. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. If you do not understand anything, feel free to comment. I'll explain to you. And don't forget to subscribe to my main channel as well as this channel. See you in the next video soon.